anyways, we're keeping an eye on Melissa.
We are. We're continuing to keep an eye on Melissa, but our weather here right now,
gorgeous.
not too bad.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
Oh my goodness.
And look at these dew points. We see that those dew points are relatively comfortable. When you start to see those dew points below 70, that's when you know that some drier air is beginning to filter in. And with those dew points into the 60s, you're going to notice that it won't be as humid as it was the other day. And that's all due to this cold front that is beginning to push through. Now, it's a weak cold front. It's not a strong one, but you see these line of clouds. That's basically where that frontal boundary is sitting. And because of that, we're seeing hardly anything on our live radar. Mostly dry conditions, not a blip on the radar, just all clear, and it will remain like that for the remainder of our evening. As we take a look at the futurecast, it looks as though those winds will continue to stream in from the northeast. There may be just maybe an opportunity for a stray shower, but a lot of us here are going to continue to see mostly dry conditions, beautiful sunny skies, and as we get toward our sunset, it should set us up for a beautiful sunset indeed. Now, as we take a look at the hourly forecast for the remainder of our Thursday, only about a 10% chance of showers, but like I mentioned, it looks as though most of us here will be seeing mostly dry conditions. And once that sun begins to set with drier air around, we will see our temperatures bottom out into the upper 60s, forecasting a low temperature here in Fort Myers of 68 degrees. Of course, some of our inland locations may see their temperatures a little cooler, and a good example of that is Arcadia. They'll be waking up the temperatures tomorrow into the mid 60s. Looks as though a lot of our locations right around, I would say, just to the east of I-75 will be seeing temperatures, I would say, into the middle 60s. But if you're near water like Clewiston, Marco Island, and Naples, you may just get lucky and just be right there at 70 degrees. Keep in mind our average low this time of the year is 68, so our temperatures tonight will be seasonable. For tomorrow, when we start off, we'll still continue to notice that that dry air will be around, courtesy of those winds coming in out of the north and also the northeast. As we play this futurecast out for our Friday, nothing to speak of. It's just going to be another splendid day, plenty of sunshine. You may see a few of those clouds passing by here or there, but it's going to be a very beautiful Friday. It's going to be warm, partly cloudy, maybe an isolated afternoon shower. I may have to remove that because I'm starting to see that dry air is really going to begin to sink in. We'll see our temperatures max out into the mid to upper 80s, forecasting a high temperature tomorrow of 87 degrees. Many of our locations will be right around 87, give or take a degree or two. Our average high this time of the year is 86, so a few of our locations like Gateway, Cape Coral, you may be a couple of degrees above average. Now, when it comes to the high temperature trend over the next few days, keeping those temperatures into the upper 80s, but as we get a little bit toward, I would say, the ending of next week, we'll start to notice some changes in our weather. And I wanted to show this. I typically don't show a 10-day forecast, but there is something in the forecast that I get excited about, and we'll talk about that in a few seconds. Over the next few days, keeping our rain chances anywhere from about 10 to 20%, and as we get toward next week, we'll see those temperatures into the 80s, but as we take a look at the ending of our 10-day forecast, noticing here, Halloween, that's a treat indeed. We may see those temperatures into the morning, into the 50s, and look at that, high temperatures into the 70s. It should be a splendid time to go trick-or-treating without sweating your uniform or your costume out. That's your Gulf Coast weather.